In this video, I'm going to show you how to see upcoming birthdays on Snapchat. That is quite simple and easy to do, guys, so let's begin. And first, start with opening up your App Store and check if your Snapchat is the latest version. If this button says update, just hit on that and wait until update is complete, because seeing your upcoming birthdays is quite new Snapchat feature. And now when Snapchat is up to date, you can hit on open, then get into chats, and now let's open up some conversation, and there all you have to do is to hit on that rocket icon. There hit add minis, and now here hit add birthdays. Now hit on that screen, and there would be the list of all upcoming birthdays. As you see, that person's birthday coming up in 5 days, that person in 6 days, 7 days, and so on. So now you can check upcoming birthdays of your friends on Snapchat. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like and subscribe.